Welcome back. Now if you go inside of your contacts area, you're going to see all of your lists together. And in the top menu, you're going to be given an option to do list hygiene. And you have two choices. One thing that you can do is you can click Blacklist. This allows you to dictate who can and cannot become part of your email marketing list. So once we blacklist someone, we can make this person a global blacklist for all of our lists, or we can keep them from specific lists. Once they become part of our blacklist for our entire account, they will not be able to sign up for any of our email marketing lists. So for example, if we were to come to this page and we were to write in the email address of the individual that had been blacklisted and then click submit, that individual would still not be added to any of our lists. The other thing we can do is we can delete contacts. So we're going to click this button, and we can either delete contacts by hand or we can create a rule. So we are going to choose the list that we want people to be deleted from. We're going to click apply, and then we're going to enter in the email addresses that we want to delete. And then we'll click delete. And you'll notice then that our total on at least one of the lists has changed. We can also create a rule where if a person gets deleted from one list, we want to make sure that they're also going to be deleted from other lists. And we can do this in this case and then click save. So we now have the rule that if an individual is no longer in one list, they're going to be deleted from a second list. So what we're going to do is we're going to go inside of this list, and then we're going to delete one name. We're going to confirm the deletion, and then that individual is no longer part of our email marketing list. You'll notice that the list hygiene rule deleted the individual from the second list also. Now note, if you're having trouble setting up this system, what you may need to do is you may need to add a third list so that you'll be able then to delete your contacts. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another.